Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are live. Huge thank you to everybody tuning in. I told you I had to do one more. I had to go live at least one more time, especially after everybody had so many viewers on the last video. So we are going to keep it with the same topic, 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. $57 times 68. I'm going to start with my first example problem here. Before I get it started, let me drop a beat for everybody tuning in. Shout out to everybody tuning in to the video. Club horn. All right. 57 times 68. So step one is we multiply the two digits in the ones place. 7 times 8. 7 times 8 equals 56. So we are going to put 6 in the ones place, and then the 5, we are going to carry that over. All right. Now the digit in the tens place times the digit in the ones place. 5 times 8 equals 40. Plus 5 equals 45. So I'm going to write 45 in front of the 6. And we have 456. All right, now the digits in the tens place. 7 times 6 is what we're going to multiply. But since we already multiplied all the digits in the ones place, I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place. Now we're going to multiply 7 times 6. Really, it's like 7 times 60, but 6 times 7 is 42. So 2. Carry the 4. I'm going to cross out the first digit that we carried over because we don't want to get confused. Now, 5 times 6 is 30. Plus the 4 that we carried over brings it up to 34. And now the final step, we have to add up these two numbers to get our final answer. 456 plus 3,420. So 6 plus 0 equals 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 0 plus 3 equals 3. And we have our final answer, 3,867. I read that wrong. I got the right answer, but I read it wrong. 3,876 is our final answer. All right, and now I'm going to do another one. So again, 57 times 68 equals 3,876. All right. Now I'm going to do one more, and then we're going to call it a day. $94 times 75. All right. So first step, we always multiply the digits in the ones place first. 4 times 5 equals 20. So I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place. I'm going to carry 2 over to the tens place. 9 times 5 equals 45, plus the 2 that we carried over is 47. Now that we've carried the 2 over, I'm going to cross it out. I'm going to cross that and start crossing numbers we carried out over earlier. Once we've added them, no need to keep them there and confuse people. And actually, let me write this a tad smaller because I want there to be room here. So 470 is what we got so far. Now we're going to multiply 4 times 7. Since the 7 is in the tens place, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. 4 times 7 equals 28. So an 8 is going to go in the tens place, and then we're going to carry over the 2. 9 times 7 is 63. Plus the 2 that we carried over brings it to 65. So I'm writing 65 here. And now we have, make it, granted, I didn't really leave myself that much room here. But let me make it so you all can see here. Very important to line the numbers up. All right, so now we have 470 plus 6,580. So I add those 2 numbers up. I have my answer. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 7 plus 8 equals 15. So 5 carry the 1. We always regroup when the sum is 10 or more. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So again, with the 1 that we carried over, we do need to regroup. 1 plus 6 is 7. Got our comma there. All right, and we have our final answer. 94 times 75 equals 7,050. All right, that is my video for today. Huge thank you to everybody that tuned in. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, if there is another area of math that you're having difficulty with or an area of reading that you're having difficulty with, please write that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Whatever skill you're having difficulty with. All right, have a great night, everybody.